Okay, now a practical use for antidifferentiation is within kinematics. So let's say we've got the velocity of a particle. You multiply 1 plus 3 times the square root of t plus 1. So that's what we've got there. Now, we can be asked any number of questions. So to have a look at it, first couple of things I've put down are initial velocity and acceleration. And as well as that, we're going to have a look at some other things, but I may run out of room on this slide. We'll see how we go. So if we're finding the initial velocity, we're saying at t equals 0, v equals 1 plus 3 root 0 plus 1, so we just end up with 4. Now, if we want to find the acceleration, what do we have to do? Well, we have to differentiate. So we'll find our dv dt. So from there, we know that we're going to have to use, I'm not going to go through it, we'll have to use the chain rule. We know this is going to differentiate to nothing. So we've got t plus 1, so we stick that in inside a set of brackets, let our power be a half, and then go from there. So dv dt will end up equaling 3 over 2 root t plus 1. So that's what we've got there, which is also our acceleration. So now to find the acceleration of these 2 points, that's all we substitute. So we say at t equals 0, a equals, and we'll say 3 over 2 times the square root of 0 plus 1. So 3 over 2. And now at t equals 8, we'll say a equals 3 over 2, 8 plus 1, which is 9. So we've got 3 over 2 root 9. So we've got 3 over 6 equals to 1 over 2. So let's go there. So from there, the next couple of things we'll be asked to do, we'll be asked to draw a graph of the function. So to do that, we should know what a square root function looks like. We've got our standard square root, which will start at 0. And now, but here, what we've got is t plus 1, so that's been moved to the right by 1. And we've got it moving up by 1 as well. And it's been dilated by a factor of 3, so it's going to go like that. So, and for the first 10 seconds, we're at 0 and 4. And then we're at 10 and 1 plus 3 root 11. So that's what we end up with there. Now from there, we'll be asked to find the area between, so we'll be asked to find the distance travelled in the first 8 seconds. So I'm going to put that on the slide, so I'm going to stop this, and we're going to have a look at that in the next video.